Yeah.
You know that you control me. Guilty self-affliction. Prey on me when I'm low.